everybody.
This is how most people's credit report look. Just crazy and all over the place. It's just loud. Red flags and whistles. Somebody blow the whistle. Somebody blow the whistle.
Good morning, Daddy.
It's all kind of crazy stuff going on. But then we come in and we delete it. We get everything off. We get that credit report deleted, and then look, boom, you don't see it anymore. All you see is the good. Can credit building loans really help you build your credit? What up? You got Mr. Smith, 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to answer that question. Can credit builder loans really help you build your credit? And the answer to that is absolutely. Now, if you want to just skip watching the video and you want to click the link that I have available below, smartcreditkit.com, and just go ahead and take advantage of the credit builder loan, then by all means, you can do that. And it says something like save money, build credit like a boss, or something along those lines. Or it might just say save money, build credit. Because what a credit builder loan does is allow you to save money while also building your credit. That's a powerful concept. Powerful concept. It forces you to save money. And many people don't save money. But if it's an incentive to saving money outside of the money being saved itself, it's a win-win. So yes, it's a great thing to save and have a certain amount of money to the side, or emergency fund, contingency fund, things of that nature. But if you're saving money, you're also able to get credit for you doing what you need to do anyway with your stash money. It's a win-win scenario. So that's what the credit builder loan does, because once that loan is fulfilled, it's still your money. Brief example, say you want to set a $5,000 goal to save money, and you go to a bank near you, or you click the link that I highly recommend, and you decide that you want to do your, a self credit builder loan, for yourself. And say it's $5,000, just as an example, throwing something out. Now, let's say you decide you want to save that $5,000 over a 10-month time period, or, it may be longer depending on your scenario, but now you're making monthly payments, and every time you make a payment, it helps your credit. And then when you finally reach that goal, and it could be a lower number, it could be $1,000, $3,000, just depends. When you reach that goal, it's not like you just wasted $5,000. No, that money is unlocked and available because you met your loan repayment goal or the contract. So it allowed you to boost your credit and save money all in one swing. I highly recommend you go to that link down below inside of Smart Credit Kit, get access to that credit builder loan, and really take advantage of it so you can do that. And then it allows you to make progress beyond that. I won't give that away in this video, but it allows you to make progress beyond the credit builder loan. And you want to click the link anyway below, because we got access to a free credit class that you can learn how to do certain things to boost your credit. Or if you like our assistance on boosting your credit, getting things removed, because a lot of people have stubborn collections and things like that on their report, and there's certain things that we can do to assist you in getting those things cleaned up, getting that foundation back solid so you can have a solid home, whether you decide that you want to buy one or just have a solid foundation credit score that you can leverage to use in other areas. So if you would like that, then definitely click that link and click on where it says schedule a call, and we'll see if we're a good fit for one another or not. If so, great. We'll welcome you on board. But if it's something that we feel like we can't do for you or assist you in that area, then by all means, we'll recommend some other things for you to do yourself. So credit builder loans, can they work? Absolutely, especially when you have the right one. And then that way you're saving money, making money, or saving money and building credit simultaneously. I love something that serves more than one purpose, even though you're doing that one thing. That's just a great feeling, and it just makes good financial sense and good time sense, because time is one of our most greatest assets. So if it's something that can help you do two things at once, kill two birds with one stone, as they said, you might want to strongly consider it. And that's exactly what credit builder loans enable you to do. That's all I got. Until I see you on the next video, Mr. Smith signing out.